Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO V50 and today I will show you how we can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started you want to hold power button and volume up, and from the boot options select power off. And when the device turns off you want to hold power button and volume up again, and let go of the power button immediately when you feel the phone vibrate, which indicates that the phone is booting up. So there's the vibration. And you can see that we are now in Fastboot mode. Now in here you can use volume buttons to navigate through the two options. We have reboot and we have enter recovery mode. So I'm gonna stick with the reboot. Once your option is selected that you want to utilize, like reboot is right now in this blue, press power button to confirm it. And this just brings me back to Android, so a way to leave this mode. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.